Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the top freezer shelf in the Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new top freezer shelf. The top freezer shelf allows the frozen food to be stored and could be easily removed and reinstalled if needed. The main reason why the top freezer shelf would need to be replaced is if it cracks and breaks, making it impossible to use it. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the top freezer shelf, we need to slightly lift it up, then pull out for a couple of inches, and then we can remove the shelf. This is the old top freezer shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the top freezer shelf, we need to place these two side tabs into the cutouts, and then we're going to slide it in. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.